Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today I'll be showing you our UL certified fanless industrial panel PC that has an Intel Pentium quad-core CPU, capacitive touch, 1000 nit high brightness options, and wide range temperature options. It's the OMI6800. Let's take a look. Okay, now I'm going to unbox one of the OMI6800s. And in this case, I'm unboxing one of the 12-inch models, the OMI6812BPHEB. And when you first open the box, you will see the warranty. Underneath that is the OMI6812BPHEB. It's encased in foam and then also wrapped in anti-static plastic. There is also an accessories bag within the box. And in that Ziploc bag, there are some bubble wrap accessories. So right here, this is your 3-pin DC power connector. This is for 9 to 36 volt DC power supply. And then also in some bubble wrap, there is the DC power adapter with the cord. And also within that bag is mounting brackets and screws, and the quantity will be determined by the size of your PC. And then lastly, in another smaller Ziploc bag, there is a 2-pin remote power switch connector. Now I'm going to remove the PC from the box. Next, I'm going to remove the PC from the foam and also the anti-static plastic. Here's the OMI6812BPHEB. There are 12 different models and 8 different sizes for the OMI6800. A 21.5 inch, 18.5 inch, 15.6 inch, 15 inch, 12 inch, 10 inch, 8 inch, and a 7 inch, and they all have multiple memory and storage options available. There's 1000 nit high brightness options, which is sunlight readable, and the high brightness option also comes with a wide range temperature option, which is -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, or -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. They have capacitive touchscreens, which are optically bonded. It's UL certified. It has an Intel Pentium N4200 quad-core CPU. It has an aluminum enclosure. It's IP66 rated for washdown environments. It's VESA or panel mount, and also has an optional Wi-Fi upgrade available. Take a look at the back of the PC. Right here are 4 screw holes. These are 4 VESA 100 by 100 millimeter mounting screw holes. And then right here is where you would insert the power connector for your 9 to 36 volt DC power supply. The PC also has some bottom I/O. So starting over to the left, here is an audio line out. Then next to that is a remote power switch connector. Then there are 2 USB 3.0 host ports. Next to that are 2 RJ45 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports. Then there are 2 DE9 serial COM ports. COM 1 is RS232, RS422, and RS485, and then COM 2 is RS232. Here is an example of the back of the unit. It will look like this when you receive it. So on the back, there will be a part number sticker, barcode, and serial number. When you buy your PC, you will have this sticker and the build number. You will need the part number and build number when reordering your panel PC. Also, you will have the option of purchasing an embedded or non-embedded Windows license. So in this image, this unit has an embedded Windows license, meaning the product key is embedded and activated for you at our facility before it leaves Maple Systems. So it is plug and play. And you also can purchase the non-embedded version, meaning the Windows license is not activated. So in this image, you can see where we place the activation sticker or product key on the back of the PC, and you just need to scratch off the code and complete the activation yourself. And I will share a link at the end of this video to another video showing you how to activate a Windows license. You also have the option of getting this panel PC with Linux preloaded instead of Windows. Now I'm going to power on the PC, so I have a power supply going into the PC. So I'm going to turn on the power supply and the PC will boot up. And you can see the Windows logo. Here's the user welcome screen, and there it is. Now you might be wondering, what are my next steps? Well, that's going to be picking out a SCADA or third-party programming software like Aviva Edge, and you can see more information about this on the Maple Systems website, or others like Factory Talk or Ignition, which our PCs also support. Well, that's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial panel PC line, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.